Crocodiles are fascinating creatures. They have been around for millions of years. Let's dive into some interesting facts about these ancient reptiles. Crocodiles are ancient reptiles. They have existed for over 200 million years. They even survived the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. There are 14 species of crocodiles. This includes the Nile crocodile, saltwater crocodile, and American crocodile. Each species has unique traits. Crocodiles are found in tropical regions. They live in Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. Their habitats include rivers, lakes, wetlands, and brackish water. Crocodiles can grow very large. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile. Males can reach up to 23 feet in length and weigh up to 2,200 pounds. Crocodiles are carnivorous. They eat fish, birds, mammals, and sometimes other reptiles. They are ambush predators, waiting for prey to come close. Crocodiles have between 60 and 70 teeth. When they lose a tooth, it is replaced by a new one. They can go through thousands of teeth in their lifetime. Crocodiles have one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom. The saltwater crocodile can exert a bite force of up to 3,700 pounds per square inch. Crocodiles communicate through various vocalizations. They grunt, growl, and hiss. They also use body language, like slapping their heads on the water's surface. Female crocodiles are attentive mothers. They build nests for their eggs. They protect the young after they hatch. Some species even carry their hatchlings in their mouths to the water. The sex of a crocodile hatchling is determined by the temperature of the eggs. Warmer temperatures tend to produce males. Cooler temperatures tend to produce females. Crocodiles can live for several decades. In the wild, their lifespan is typically between 35 to 75 years. Some individuals in captivity have lived over 100 years. Some crocodile species are endangered. This is due to habitat loss, poaching, and illegal hunting. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these ancient reptiles. Thanks for watching.